Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create and run your first web application using Flask. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First create the app with Flask. Let's input the Flask, use the hint if you use a PyCharm IDE. Otherwise, write a pip install Flask in terminal. Install and import package Flask. It is installing. Flask has been inputted. Now we can write Flask name. Okay, let's run our application. If name equals main, then run the app.run. Okay, let's try to run the application. Run main. The error at the second line because we need to input in a different way. From Flask import Flask. Okay, let's run the application. We haven't errors. It's good. Go ahead. Next, let's create the main page. Create the function, home page. What will be on the main page? Return the title. You are on the main page of the blah blah company. And let's add the web address of this page, app.root. It's a main page, so there will be no additional words in the address, only slash. And write the @ symbol here. Okay, let's run the application. We have no errors, but the server should start. What's the reason? We need a second underscore here. Okay, let's run again. And now we see that our application has been running on a server, but is a development server. We can open it in browser, or we can follow the link. Click the link and we are on the local website with this address and with our text that we are on the main page of the blah blah company. Let's edit the page. Let's make the title bigger with the h1 tag. Close the tag. Next, rerun the application. Stop and rerun. Open the website and refresh the page. And now we have the title h1. Let's create another page. Copy this code, paste it. We can create another page, for example, contacts page or category page with the category function, and return the text, for example, subscribe to simple Python channel, YouTube channel. And to make it more interesting, we can add the name to our function name. We can edit the root. We can add angle brackets with name. It means that depending on the page address, different names will be passed to the function. Let's add the name in curly brackets, name, comma, and add f before string, because we have a variable in our text. Let's run the application to see what happens. Run, stop and run. OK, open the page, and let's add, for example, Bill. Enter. Bill subscribe to Simple Python YouTube channel. We can enter the another name, for example, Julia. Enter, and the name has been changed. There are your first steps in website building. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.